This is the quick reference chart that will help you reduce chronic pain. In this chart you will find all the acupuncture points that are recommended to treat pain. Each acupuncture point was enlarged and divided into 6 areas. Each area was colorized so that it can be used for different painful conditions. The direction of the energy flow of the meridians are indicated by an arrow. The energy flow from one meridian to the next is indicated by these dashed lines. You can also find the points that are prohibited either for acupuncture, for moxa, or during pregnancy. The general points for pain treatment, which are these orange ones, and the chi cleft points where the energy is stored, and they have blue letters around it. You can see that the meridians have a different color, and each meridian has an arrow that is indicating the energy flow in that meridian. Also, at the beginning and at the end of the meridian, or where the energy leaves that meridian and passes to the next meridian, is indicated by dotted lines. In these columns on the sides of the body, you can find all the painful conditions that can be treated using this chart. For example, let's choose dysmenorrhea, which is painful menstruations. We pick this color, which is the orange, 6 o'clock in the hour clock. With that color, we go to the body chart, and we can find all the points that are used to treat dysmenorrhea, and you can also find points to treat dysmenorrhea in the hand or the forearm. Now, if you find dysmenorrhea in the columns in the lower part of the body, that means there are also acupuncture points that are recommended to treat dysmenorrhea in this lower portion of the body. Now, in the front part of the body, we can also find that dysmenorrhea is indicated, and we find these points that are used for dysmenorrhea, even though the pain usually that a woman experiments is in the abdomen. We can also find a dysmenorrhea reference point up in the upper part of the body, and that is because there is a point to treat dysmenorrhea here in the face. As you can notice, these points are scattered all over the body, but all of them are very important. For example, to treat migraine headaches, the points are in the head, some other points are in the arms, in the torso, in the legs, and in the feet. Now, what you can do with these points is stimulate them one at a time for a few seconds only. You can push them with a finger, with your finger, with a blunt object. You can massage them. You can use a massage tool. You can shine laser. You can shine infrared, but only to the points. They are very small. You can do some ultrasound, cold, heat, etc. That way you stimulate them for a few seconds, and when you find a point that will tingling or increase your pain, that's the point you need to stimulate longer. Keep doing the same to all the recommended points that are on the chart, and you will find a few more that will react that way with tingling or increasing your pain. You can do all the work in finding and stimulating the recommended points in around 15 minutes, and you will feel much better afterwards. The next day or the next session, other points will react to your stimulation. The pain will diminish and or disappear. Now, using the meridians and the direction of the energy flow, you can help the circulation of the energy by following the arrows where the energy or the direction of the energy flow. You can also press on chi cleft points to release some energy into that meridian. When you are doing this session, always use the general point for pain treatment. These are the ones that when you stimulate them, you are helping the endorphins to be released into the circulation, and the endorphins will decrease the pain naturally. I would like to give you 3 recommendations that are very important. The first one is repeat this procedure every time there is pain. Consult your doctor or a healthcare provider if one is needed. Always start stimulating all general points for pain relief in any pain condition. Always be careful with the forbidden points. And thank you for watching, and God bless you. To order this poster, please go to this website.